Today we're upgrading this interior to a Ford F-250 Super Duty Crew Cab with our custom upholstery kit. This kit also fits F-350, 450, and 550 models from 2002 to 2003. We're going to replace this old leather upholstery with our new leather upholstery kit. Our kit is designed for durability and a luxury feel. Take a look at this transformation. Our kits use better material at a better price to give you that premium luxury upgrade without the dealership costs. This kit is not a seat cover. It is made from our replacement upholstery line, ExclusiveCoversUSA. So your original cloth or leather will need to come off before installation. As you see here, we use similar attachments as a factory cover. Our push clips are the same. Also J channels going all the way around. Our kits are designed to match factory fit, giving your interior a seamless, fresh look, making it easy to give your ride that custom upgrade. And the best part, we have upholstery kits for many other vehicles. Visit our website and check out our vehicle selector. First, choose your year, make, and model. Then you can begin to style your seats any way you want them. The possibilities are endless. We have hundreds of colors and style combinations to choose from. Our upholstery kits aren't only stylish, but they're easy to maintain and built to last. So if you're ready to upgrade your interior, head over to ExclusiveCoversUSA. And remember, we got you covered. Better material, better prices, ExclusiveCoversUSA.